Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and super gorgeous hexagonal shape gift box for the wedding season, for anniversaries, for birthday gifts, as a shagun gifts. And I'm just loving the color combination so much, and this is forming the beautiful flower pattern on the top, which is the TRP of this box. So quickly I'm showing you how you can open this gorgeous box. And after opening, you can put lots of gifts inside this. It works like the potly box, and I'm just loving the outcome so much. Quickly tying the knot, and without any further delay, let's start with the procedure of how to make this gorgeous box from scratch. So here I'm taking 30 by 15 centimeters white color cardstock. From left side I've creased at 4.7, 9.4, 14.1, 18.8, 23.5 and 28.2 centimeters. Now rotating the sheet in 90 degrees, and from left side I've creased at 5 and 10 centimeters. Now folding all the creases and burnish it nicely with the bone folder for the crisp folds. Then on this right corner, we have to cut this slit like this, and also cutting the bottom part of the cardstock to create panels till the first crease lines. And it should look like this after cutting. Then I'm starting with working on the first square shape. Okay, so first we have to find out the center of this. So I am marking at 2.35 centimeters here, and with the same method I have already marked on the remaining panels exactly in the center. Now we have to make some curved creases. For that I am taking big size circular base and working on the first square. So here I am taking my mandala pattern, which is having quite bigger base, and we have to join the center marking with the bottom marking like this and create the curvature shape. Like this. Similarly, I am making one more curve on other side by marking these 2 points. And it should look like this. Then on the same marking I am doing the crease work using ball tool. Like this, removing the pencil work by erasing it, and with the same method we have to make curvatures on all remaining panels. So directly I am using my ball tool and making the creases. All the creases are done. Now we have to fold it gently like this to give it nice shape. And this is completely ready. Then To tie this box from top, we have to make some holes. So on both sides of the marking, I am making some small points. On this, I am going to create small holes. And to create holes here, I am taking 2 mm hole punch machine by Dress My Craft and quickly making the holes. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. And also don't forget to check out the coupon codes for extra discounts. And now you can see my videos in Hindi language as well. So while watching the video, you can select the language Hindi to hear my AI generated Hindi voice. And the holes are ready. Now it's time to construct the box shape. So here we have this folded panel. First of all, I am cutting both the sides diagonally, little bit slit, diagonal slit. And then add glue on this folded panel and stick it with the first panel. Burnish it nicely, and we have to fold all the bottom panels like this to construct the hexagon shape. And to bind it nicely in one place and to give it nice shape, we have to make one more hexagon design. So taking one more piece of white cardstock, using 4.7 centimeter radius, creating one circle, and using same radius I am dividing the circle in 6 equal parts. Joining all the markings together so that we will get the hexagon shape. Cut this hexagon shape with scissors. Like this. Now taking back my box, and on back side we have to gather all these edges together, match with the hexagon shape and create the nice sturdy base. Burnish it nicely and the box base is ready. Then taking one pink color twine and passing through the holes which we have created, I'm just weaving it through the holes like this. You can also use thin satin ribbon or satin cord, jute yarn, cotton yarn, anything whatever you have to create the closure of the box. And now we have weaved through all the holes, so creating the knot, pulling all the threads, and this is the best part of the video where the flower has been constructed. Now I am decorating the edge of the box from top using the beautiful pattern paper. I have cut the pattern paper in the same size or same shape as the box. So decorating all 6 panels with the same pattern paper. And after decorating from all 6 sides, it should look like this. This is enhancing the flower shape more. Now we will start working on this place. So this is actually not a perfect square. This measures 5 by 4.7 centimeters. So to construct this in perfect square shape, we have to attach one thin strip in the bottom. So here I am taking 3 mm same designer paper strip which I am going to stick in the bottom. so that we will have the perfect square in the center on which we will going to decorate later. So add glue on the strip and quickly sticking it in the bottom of the box. And this is completely ready. Now taking your gold mirror cardstock square, which is 4.7 by 4.7 centimeter, and this beautiful flourish designer paper, which is 4.3 by 4.3 centimeters. Added double-sided tape on back side of this, just removing the liner and sticking it on the gold mirror cardstock square. Then taking back my box and sticking this beautiful panel on one of the square. Similarly, I have decorated the remaining squares, and now it's time to decorate this with handmade work. So first I am decorating the edge of this flourish paper using beautiful diamond chain. So using here B7000 glue and decorating the edge using gold diamond chain. Like this, similarly decorating the remaining square panels. Now starting with the quilling work. So here I am taking 1/8 strip in maroon color, 2 pieces, and 2 pieces of 1/8 strip in peach color. All these are 2 mm strips. Gather it all together, fold it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer and make the scroll shape. Cutting the excess strip from bottom, level it up, add glue, and your scroll is ready. Similarly, we need total 8 scrolls for one panel. Now I am taking 1 strip of white color in 2 mm and making one tight coil. Then taking 1/4 strip of brown color and making one tight coil. So we need total 4 1/4 strips tight coil for one panel. Then taking back my box, and first all 4 corners I am decorating with brown color tight coils, and then between these tight coils I am decorating with beautiful scroll patterns. Wiping out the extra glue marks immediately using wet brush. Now in the center I am adding white color tight coil. Then around this I am decorating with gold chain and white pearl chain. and also decorating 4 center corners and the center of the white piece using white colors or silver color stones. And the beautiful decorative panel is ready. It's looking absolutely stunning, isn't it? Very aesthetic. And with the same method I am decorating the remaining panels. So after decorating all 6 panels, our box should look like this. The formation is very nice, very symmetric. And now I have decorated the end of the twine using these beautiful flower cutouts. So I have the 5 petal flower cutout using same cardstock. Just add glue on one of the flower, stick your end of the twine and put another flower on top of this. And with this method you can decorate the ends of your twine as well, which looks cute. So our beautiful box is completely ready. I am just loving the color combination so much. And now I am opening my box like the potli, and you can put any gift inside this. It can hold up to 250 grams of weight. So I am putting handmade bangles, but you can put dry fruits or any kind of jewelry, wristwatches, cosmetic, anything, whatever you want to gift. And you can make it in bulk for the shagun as well. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. And if you have some more unique ideas of handmade gift making, you can mail the pictures or ideas at creations.shivani@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.